So,
Nice.
first thing that we're going to talk about today is our high temperatures. So normal high for this time of year, it is slowly starting to drop. We're down to 73, yet today was still below average for some of us, getting into the upper 60s, some low 70s, but it was still very comfortable. In the dew point department, dew points throughout the entire day have been in the 40s, couple of low 50s, still firmly puts us in that comfortable, that refreshing category, and that's where we're going to live for a lot of the 7-day forecast. We did have a storm pass to our south today. You can just see a little bit on the visible satellite imagery because there's a little bit on the upper edge where you see a bit of cloud cover, mainly through areas of the coastline, up a little bit farther north in areas of eastern Maine towards Bangor, but not a ton of cloud cover out there today. Therefore, our overnight low temperatures will be a bit on the cool side. If you have clear skies, light winds, for example, and low dew points, that can make overnight lows a bit chilly. So we do have a little bit of that cloud cover around closer to the coast, so coastal temperatures won't be quite as cold overnight. But then during the day tomorrow, we end up with a really nice day. A lot of sunshine during the day. High temperatures will actually be above average again, getting into the upper 70s, maybe even some low 80s in some spots. There is actually a front that will be passing through during the day tomorrow, but you're probably not going to even notice it. It's such a dry front that it doesn't really make any cloud cover, certainly not any precipitation. What you're really going to see there is the change in temperature between tomorrow and Friday. Friday is going to have a very similar feel in terms of the sky condition, but what's going to be most different about it is that the high temperatures will be a lot cooler, only in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Then things start to change a little bit as we get into the weekend. Still a really nice day for Saturday, a lot of sunshine, temperatures cool again, but still nice. And then Sunday is when we have an area of low pressure on the approach. It's going to bring some scattered showers, especially throughout areas of western Maine and into New Hampshire. And that's what we're going to be watching as we get into next week, where that area of low pressure is going to go. Because the European model brings it coming back a little bit during next week, which is a little bit unusual, so certainly something that we'll keep an eye on as things progress. Dew points will be incredibly comfortable during the week, only in the 40s and 50s, so still really nice and refreshing. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet. Ocean temperature right now is 63. So on that 7-day forecast, a lot of really nice days coming up. It'll be warmer tomorrow and then a little bit cooler but still sunny Friday and Saturday. Then showers will start to develop for Sunday, and we'll keep an eye on that area of low pressure as we go into next week. Bailey?
I told Ryan yesterday, I love seeing all the little suns. I feel like I'm very in it with the forecast with you as you're clicking along here. I know you can't see it home, but Dana's whole system's right here, and I'm like, yes, I see, I understand.
The magical weather computer.
I love it. Okay, we're going to catch back with you later.